In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Asana. If you're ready to standardize your workflows and save time on repeatable projects, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn any existing project into a reusable template without missing a beat. First, open the project you want to use as a template. This should be your most complete, polished version of the workflow you plan to repeat. Take a quick moment to make sure task names are clear, sections or columns are organized, and any custom fields, rules, or descriptions reflect best practices. If there's content that only applied to a one-off use, clean that up now so it doesn't carry forward into every future project. Think of this project as your blueprint. What you save here is what your team will see again and again. Next, look to the top left of your screen and find the project name. Right beside it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the project options menu. Depending on your screen size or layout, the arrow might be small, but it's always right next to the project title. From the menu that appears, choose Save as Template. If you don't see this option, you may need the right permissions in your workspace or access to a plan that supports templates. In that case, check with your workspace admin or the project owner. Now it's time to name your template and set its privacy. Pick a clear, action-oriented name that helps teammates instantly recognize when to use it, such as marketing launch template or onboarding checklist. Consider adding a short naming convention like a department or team tag, so templates are easy to find later. Then choose how you want to share it. If multiple people will rely on this workflow, set it to be visible to your team. If it's still a work in progress, you can keep it limited and update access when you're ready. Finally, click Create Template. Asana will capture your project's current structure and details so you can spin up consistent projects in just a few clicks. After it's created, you'll find it alongside other templates when starting a new project, typically under the option to use a template. Before you wrap up, remember to revisit your template periodically. As your process improves, update the template rather than editing the project after the fact. Keeping it current ensures every new project starts on the right foot. And that's it. With a well-prepared project and a few clicks, you've built a reliable Asana template that saves time and keeps your team aligned.